Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. Like we said at the beginning of this week, I said I believe the market could trade largely sideways, and it's really what's happened. I mean, if you we opened the week at 5,246, and we closed the week at 5,230.5. I don't think you can have much more of a sideways market than what we've got at the moment, and I think possibly this sort of trending pattern could continue for the next few weeks. However, it doesn't matter, as long as it's trading sideways, the stocks that we think bullish should go up, and the ones that we think bearish should still keep going down. We actually, it was quite interesting this week because we put about 26 stocks on that we said that we thought looked bullish, and I'm just going to bring you I did a little spreadsheet here so you can sort of see the ones and see how those stocks perform, the ones that we said look fairly bullish. And of course, we've got some ones that didn't perform, but largely speaking, they all did. And companies like ALU were up 4%. Obviously, the gold stocks that look bullish, like BDR, was up 14%. At one stage, it was even a lot higher than that. Spark Infrastructure, interestingly, we said looked bullish, ending the week up over 6%. Here's some of the really interesting ones. DOW ended the week up 2.34%. Evolution obviously had a good week, up nearly 9.77%. And here's an interesting one, Fortescue. Again, I normally wouldn't have been looking at Fortescue because, fundamentally, but the chart said it was going up, and certainly it did, and it was up 5.75%. And another one of the stocks that we really like, Macquarie Atlas, again that was up 5.07%. Again, ORA was up, and again those gold stocks helped, and Ramsay Healthcare was up. But all in all, our bullish stocks averaged up over about sort of 1.7%, which is very, very impressive to get that sort of result in what we'd seen as a market that's actually gone slightly down. Out of choosing so many stocks is, I think, quite extraordinary. But the sort of weekly buy and sell signals we put out, they are just a general guidance. But you can see, I think, from week in, week out, how well Equity Story is picking these sort of general trends. Talking about obviously the trends we've got at the moment, I think we're sort of playing a little bit safe. I just TPM again. So it didn't do much today, but holding fine. Again, Hansen Group, it's absolutely fine. CSL, these are the big. These are some of the big guns on the market. Again, sorry, I don't want to go for that one yet. SGR, again, looks absolutely fine, and Burson Group. Again, these trends are absolutely excellent. We've got, Burson's a little bit sort of down, but it's absolutely fantastically trending up. One stock that we put on today was Bellamy's, and I think I've spoken to you a few times about Bellamy's. Just suddenly having that nice move, and the price action today really implies to me that this could have another good week next week. So possibly, hopefully, we've got some sort of earnings announcement coming out. But I think, for me it looks bullish. It's come down, really found support on that long-term moving average, and bouncing off with a sort of fairly okayish MACD signal. So fingers crossed. Like I said, a lot of people that short Bellamy's, and I think there might be a bit of short covering next week. So we'll see. Hopefully, how we get another nice big sort of rise in Bellamy's won't do us any harm. I just like to say the 3-year growth stories again. It's just sort of ridiculous how. I really like 3-year growth stories. We like the important thing. Stocks go up if if they've got revenue. We know, and the revenue's growing. We know the stocks are going to be good. And some of our 3-year growth stories recently, every night I think for the last sort of 2 weeks I've been telling you about these stocks, and they just keep going. Adasol and Appen just look absolutely stunning. VTG, the infamous Catapult up again today, and Mobile Embrace having a good day. One of the new stocks we put on, GTK, again, it's the announcements on the website, the whole story Please go and read up about it. Again, why do we like it? It's growing its earnings. It's got a fantastic little business model. It's making money, and even better, it's got a buy signal. So, or sort of a sort of buy signal on the chart. So, everything looks great about it. So anyway, I'd like to sort of wish you a good weekend. I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story. Hopefully we'll have some more trends next week and see if we can bring you some more interesting stocks as well. At the moment, I think our 3-year growth portfolio is fairly full, and all the stocks are absolutely, generally speaking, doing very, very well. Most probably be searching high and low to find another infamous 10-bagger. That most probably be the next one on our list. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and I look forward to bringing you this report tomorrow night. Good night.